The whooping cough is a highly contagious respiratory infection that can affect anyone of any age group. Typically, it presents with a cough that is sharp and repetitive, followed by the characteristic whooping breath, fevers, and a runny nose, sometimes too. Young children and the elderly are most susceptible to complications like respiratory distress, dehydration, seizures, or even rib fractures from harsh coughing. Adolescents and adults who have the whooping cough can spread it to others without realizing they have the infection. The pertussis vaccine, which is in DTaP or Tdap, is part of the routine childhood vaccine series with the booster at 11 years old and then every 10 years. It is also given in pregnancy to help protect the newborn. It is very important to keep up with pertussis boosters through life as vaccine protection wanes over time. There are upticks in cases every 3 to 5 years, so some of the spike in cases may be natural. However, there has also been a recent decrease in immunization rates, making more people susceptible to infection. There are antibiotics for the whooping cough, and in cases of exposure, you might need a prophylactic antibiotic. If you suspect you have the whooping cough or are concerned about symptoms you may be having, contact your physician or go to nm.org for more information.